Hi, welcome back to the Access of Epic. We're doing another real life road test. Okay, out the seat on the anti-bike, let's go. And we're away. A little bit of steep stuff at the start. It's quite a warm day here on the peninsula. About 25 degrees. I've done this on many bikes. Can't wait to see how this compares. Okay, just around the first hairpin. Looking all pretty good. Cruising along at about 18 k's an hour. You know, sometimes you go into an electric bike shop or a bike shop and you might ask the question, how far does it go? Can it climb hills? That's why we do this. So we can answer that question and say, hell yeah, it can climb hills. I did this out of the seat on the anti-bike. Real life road testing is what we're all about. If you'd like to try a bike like this, come on down to the Electric Bike Superstore, Melbourne's home of electric bike. Melbourne's biggest range. Melbourne's best choices. Okay, I'm not going to pretend this is easy, but it's plausible. Beautiful day. What's life going under the chairlift? Might ride that a bit later. Steep bit coming. Bring it on. The anti-bike is often described as the bike that you like when you don't like bikes. You don't identify yourself as like a liker or wearing person. It's fair enough, each to their own. I love it because it's a go anywhere type bike. The beach, the snow, the dirt, the grass, the streets, the tram tracks. Really awesome. Okay, we're getting there. I've got to say, I've done this on a Corotec pit drive. It was easier. I've done it on an Earth T-Rex 29er. That was definitely easier. Done it on a Gazelle. You really had to work on the Gazelle. It's interesting with a folding bike and a fat bike. This is really turning in what you might describe as an incredible performance. I just love it. We're nearly there. Coming up to Purves Road. And we've reached the top of Arthur's Seat. Wow. What an incredible performance by this bike. When you think about the diameter of the wheels, you think about the sheer girth of the tyres, the amount of rolling resistance on this bike to make up this hill. Really timely manner. Incredible. Here we are. Arthur's Seat. So there you go. Anti-bike versus Arthur's Seat. Tick that one off. Another epic win for an electric bike of a very steep hill. So, if you'd like to try something like this yourself, come on down to the Electric Bike Superstore. Melbourne's home for electric biking. We've got more bikes than anyone else, so come on down and check them out. Till next time, stay epic.